खिला है मन का चमन हमारे, मिला है माली आप सा। खिला है मन का चमन हमारे, मिला है माली आप सा। प्यारे प्रभु कोई कहाँ हमारा आप सा। खिला है मन का चमन हमारे, मिला है माली आप सा। ज्ञान का है बीज बोया, त्याग की कल में लगाई। ज्ञान का है बीज बोया, त्याग की कल में लगाई। बिखरा है वैराग्य सौरभ, तप की जब बेलें उगाई। बन गया जीवन तपोवन, बागबां मिला है आप सा। प्यारे प्रभु कोई कहाँ हमारा आप सा। खिला है मन का चमन हमारे, मिला है माली आप सा। पलकों में पलते हैं पाए, प्यार हर संबंध का। पलकों में पलते हैं पाए, प्यार हर संबंध का। प्रभु मिलन में है मिला सौभाग्य परमानंद का। क्यों न गुल गुलजार हो पाके सहारा आपका। प्यारे प्रभु कोई कहाँ हमारा आप सा। खिला है मन का चमन हमारे, मिला है माली आप सा।
Om Shanti. All Asians, good evening. The topic for this afternoon is final effort for the self and service for others before the final moment. So what we need is to make everything into essence. So far we have expanded everything. Now it's time to return home. So we have to merge expansion into dot. We need to power to merge and power to pack up. Bap Dada will give direction and we will have to go home in a second. So if we are already ready and in essence, then it will be easy. Because so far we have the activity of body, Lokik activity. We have got weak thoughts and sanskar. So we have to be free from all these activities. And we have to go with Father in a second. We should not be dependent on anyone or any activity, because if we depend on them, they give us temporary support, but then we are drawn away from Baba. So as soon as we get direction that let's go, then at second we should fly and be ready. If we haven't packed up everything, then we will start thinking, now what I have to do, I must do this or that. My center, my service, my student, my Lokik family, my Alaukik family, or any of my Lokik job should not be remembered last moment. Service is expanding, but we have to be detached from that and be loving to Baba. Then only we can go with him. There should not be any bondage of attachment. So we should take leave from our all activities and their bondages. Then we might be ready in a second. We should be flying. Our Viman of flying stage should be always ready. We'll get margin of only 1 second. And that's why we should already have attained Karmatit stage. We should not stop service. We should carry on service. But whilst doing all activities, we should be like lotus flower, loving and detached. So keep balance of being loving and detached. My final stage will be the power of perfect stage. I should be always observer and keep Bap Dada's company. Then I will experience the cooperation of great souls, and I'll be lost in the depth of Gyan. Our spiritual eyes will be like divine eyes and will be stars of success. We will be divine mirror, and everybody would be able to see their own soul. They will be attracted to Shiv Baba, and they will start singing the praise of Shiv Baba. So they will be immediate, total renunciate and create their fortune. So we should be giving the experience to weak souls, and we should be instrumental to be great donors. One should not have remembrance of anyone else apart from myself and Baba. So I should be remaining in soul conscious stage constantly and naturally. In the end, we will not be doing much service through words, but our elevated thoughts will spread around. And everybody will have attraction to the soul. And we will be naturally having clear intoxication. So we should have such an elevated thoughts and very pure ones. There should not be any type of dirt in our thoughts. Our intellect should be clean. Then our thoughts will materialize. And those souls who are close to us, they will be able to transform their sanskars. And you will be stars of success. Our stage of going beyond sound will attract many souls. And with our thoughts and power, we will be able to fulfill the desires of everybody, because there will be queue of devotees begging for love, peace, liberation from sorrow, happiness, etc. So we will be able to give blessings to them of any power that they need. So we have to become charitable soul, the souls full of all powers. So more we have yoga, more we will become Master Almighty Authority and able to fulfill the desires of others. Now, the questions asked by Japanese family are: is there a way to connect with Baba while sleeping? When we are asleep, we cannot connect with Bab Dada. We can remember Baba before going to sleep, and in between, if we wake up for any reason, for passing urine or some reason, we can sit and remember Baba. Dadi Prakashmani, she used to sit in remembrance. Immediately on waking up, we remember Baba. So we should have the habit of remembering Baba before going to sleep. Next question is: what is the secret to balancing unlimited disinterest and unlimited love? Unlimited interest will be in the material objects, because many people are interested in cars or house or in camera or television, etc. So we have to develop unlimited disinterest, because nowadays mechanical gadgets, possessions, property, people are interested, and big kids also might be interested. Now, unlimited love for Bap Dada and family. It is easy to have unlimited disinterest for material objects and deep love, unlimited love for Baba and family. Third, please give me some hints to feel someone's pulse accurately while feeling unlimited disinterest. When we are giving course to anyone, it is our spiritual love and mercy to uplift that soul. But we are not interested in that person individually. So it is necessary to feel pulse in order to decide what points of jnana to give, what that soul needs. We have interest in serving souls, but not interest in the individual. Next question is: what should I do when talking to a Lokik person when the other person's story is not of interest? Some people are interested to tell their story in detail. So they are talking too much, which, if you are not interested, we should change the topic of conversation in a yukta way. Start talking about some Gyan story, your own story, your own experience, etc. Next question is: being constantly aware of staying solitude tends to diminish interest in communication with others. How do I always have to interact with some people? Have a balance of silence and communication. No need to be silent all the time or in solitude all the time. Being in this world and on service field, we must communicate with everyone and help them. Because whatever we have received from Baba, we want to share with others. We don't want to be selfish and sit by ourselves and meditate. Next question: what thoughts, words, and actions do I always need to be respected in Brahman community? If you give respect to others, they will give you respect. If you are following Srimad, having elevated thoughts, words, action, and if you are loving, giving, then everybody will respect you. Next is, what kind of practice do I need to be able to speak in a way that the other person can understand when communicating knowledge to others? As Baba was saying last weekend, Churn Gyan, so that you are sharing with your experience and in a manner that anybody can understand. So while speaking, speak with love, authority, and experience. Make it simple. First of all, find out why that soul has come. So feel the pulse and give the knowledge that he needs. Next question is, what is the difference between seed stage and volcanic yoga? Seed stage is where one is lost in love of one Baba. So they are dot, remembering dot, and they are merged in remembrance and not at all attracted by external atmosphere. And from your face, they can see love, power, peace that one gets in a seed stage. Volcanic stage, it's like volcano, very powerful, bright, and has so much power that it can melt all rocks. Similarly, volcanic yoga will clean our sins so we become pure and light. Ninth, what are the points for continuing seed stage longer? to continue seed stage longer, practice soul consciousness. Have deep love for Baba. Economy of thoughts, words, action, and energy. Next question is, what is the most important effort in order to reach Karmati stage? To reach Karmati stage, the important necessary is I remain bodiless and go beyond this world. Final question. We Brahmins know that this old world is about to end. But if you have a chance to send a message to non-Brahman souls only once with a big microphone, at the last moment, what kind of message would you like? I will say, God has come to take us home and liberate us from sorrow. Let us go to the land of Nirvana, pack up everything from this old world and be ready to go home. Now the question asked are how to practice soul consciousness effectively. I am scared because the time is very near to destruction and land of happiness is going to come soon. Souls who are just started honestly practicing, remember, if they want to be practice soul conscious, what should they do? Don't be scared. Because if you are scared, you will not be able to make effort. So, try to be courageous, hold hand of Baba and remind yourself, I am a soul, I am a soul. So in the beginning, you might have to remind, but then it will be easy to be soul conscious. Baba said what happened in the early days will happen again in the last days. Bap Dada did chant Om. Do the Yajna have audio records of Bap Dada's Om chant? May this soul have a copy also. I will ask our audio department. They will send you the copy of Om chant. I'm sure there will be recording. Next question is the Murli we reading is summarized and edited to brainwash some people like other day? Baba says the government of India makes Hindi as the official language and that he is also talking in Hindi. So what Baba trying to say about it? Is he trying to be biased with other races and isn't talking about language is also body language after all? The Murli Baba used to give was more than 4 pages or 5 pages. So some addition is done, but it is not to brainwash, just to save our time. And there is no question of brainwashing anyone. Indian language is Hindi, spoken in most of the states, so Baba has to speak in Hindi. Lust is our biggest enemy. Who makes us to think on someone we lust for? Isn't it blind faith too? Lust is biggest enemy, and body conscious people naturally are lustful and try to attract the opposite sex. So it's not a blind faith. Currently, Bhog messages are received from different seniors. Are these seniors selected by Baba, or Yagya decided to choose them? It is RCs who decided, because most of the countries don't have trans messenger, and people love to get that message from Baba. So we decided to have Bhog message from Sister Moini of New York and Sister Vedanti of Africa. Due to severe job shortages, there are difficulties in getting a suitable job, and as a cashier, staff are required to sell cigarettes, beer, etc. What can a Brahman do about this? If Brahman has no choice to survive, no money, no job, then they can take up this job of selling cigarettes or beer. Those who give 7 days course will get high marks than those who do cleaning in the yagya. Is there division margin on types of service we do? Not necessarily that karma yogis get less mark than jnani yogi, because marks are given in all 4 subjects: Jnana, Yoga, Dharana, and Shiva. So the soul will get marks according to their yoga and dharana also. Next question is, Why? Because are not really giving a clear and strong sustenance on the aspect of lust. Since Baba always talks about lust is the greatest enemy and always reminds us to not think about others and think about Baba. I think initially we don't want to scare the people, and so we don't talk about lust in 7 days course. But afterwards, once Brahmins start attending Murli and are pakka, we do give clear gyan about just remember Baba and not think about human being or be attracted to them. How we can become good parents? We all know everyone's sanskars are different. What is the method to adapt so the sanskars of children can change? Parents have to be loving and helping children. So, parents have to be gentle, sweet, and loving to change the sanskars of children. And that's why we are trying to help parents also and children also, because there needs to be balance. Next question is how to settle our karmic account with our family. When there is someone in the family who cannot handle and annoying to the core. Sometimes my devilish traits emerge back due to people like this. Main thing is we have to be so strong in yoga that we are not annoyed by their behavior, because Kali-yugi people, they have devilish trait, but I should have transformed my devilish traits and I should be reacting sweetly with them and not get angry or upset or start shouting. So, in order to change our sanskars, we have to make effort. Remind myself, I am a peaceful soul, I am a loving soul. So emerge our original and eternal sanskar and receive power of tolerance, patience in meditation. Next question is, do we have to start planting vegetables in our house in case all the supermarkets are destroyed? It's a good idea to have your own vegetable garden as well as fruit trees, so that in the final moment, if nothing is available, at least your garden can help. Is it okay to send Thursday's bhog to BKs when they are unable to come to center? It is good if some neighbors are coming and taking the bhog, or if some center vasi is free, it's good to send the bhog to them, especially if Brahmins are staying at a walking distance. Next question is, now it is proved that COVID-19 pandemic was planned and with purpose by the world leaders due to power and money. What is your view on that? Or this is part of drama we need to go through? It is a drama, and it was really planned and spread. That's what at the moment people are thinking, and America is really doing research to get the root of the spread of COVID-19. But that is also drama. Baba says loving intellect leads to victory. Victory over what? Which aspect are we victorious on? Victory over Maya. When we have love for Baba, Baba helps us and gives us power, and we can conquer Maya and obstacles. Which special quality in Mama makes her become Lakshmi? Mama had many qualities: purity, royalty, sweetness, powerful, loveful, good student, and constantly soul conscious, essential, speaking sweetly, etc. And she did a lot of service, traveling around and creating many air quality shows. This brother is asking so many questions. How to really believe that Baba entered Brahma Baba's body and Gulzar Dadi's body? How have faith in that? It is really true and we can believe it. Is it just a drama by the BKs? I think, brother, you have to have real experience of Baba and read the story of Brahma Baba biography, Mama's biography, and if you haven't seen Avyakt Bab Dada in Vyakta form, because Dadi Gulzars, when Bab Dada entered, she was totally different, so powerful, loveful. And the Murlis we got from Avyakt Bab Dada are really uplifting everyone. So I think you have to study more and you have to experience yourself. In some centers, the spiritual love between BKs are less. What is the reason? And is it because of lack of understanding in Baba? So, I think some people are naturally loving, some people have to develop love. More they receive love from Baba through meditation, they are able to share love with others. New souls still have chance to enter, become karmatit. Question is, are new souls still have chance to become karmatit? Yes. Baba says, Janak receives mukti in a second. So there are chances that new souls may become karmatit. When do we use power of tolerance and power to face to any person or situation coming on in front of me? We have to discern whether we have to keep on tolerating or we have to face. And once we have that clean and clear intellect, we can decide which power to use, whether to be quiet or whether to be expressive and say that you are not doing right. Remembering of events of destruction like pandemic or natural calamities, is it not remembering the old world? We don't need to remember, but we have to face pandemic and natural calamities. So, past we should not remember, or many times Baba says that this is going to happen, you have to be ready for that and not be afraid of anything. What effort we have to do to achieve karmatit stage. In order to achieve karmatit stage, we have to clear all karmic accounts through seed stage and not clear more karmic account and bondages, because attachment to friends and human beings can create karmic account, or being influenced by our old impure sanskar, we can perform sinful karma and create more bondages. And so, what we have to do is pay attention to our sanskaras, because our sanskars will lead to our thoughts and karma. So, we have to be very careful that we are soul conscious and remembering Baba, and whatever we are doing is according to Srimad and not influenced by our impure sanskars. Is settling karmic account only taking while a soul in a body or in a subtle region, a soul is still settling it? Most of the Brahmins will settle their karmic account in a body, but some Brahmins and non-Brahmins will settle in Dharamrajpuri, the subtle region, because after all we have to clear everything. So I think these are all the questions, and if there are no more questions, we will have 5 minutes meditation and finish. Om Shanti. We'll meet next Sunday.
मन की यही तमन्ना, दिल की है आरज़ू। मन की यही तमन्ना, दिल की है आरज़ू। नजरों के सामने हो बस बाबा तू ही तू, बस बाबा तू ही तू। मन की यही तमन्ना, दिल की है आरज़ू। नजरों के सामने हो बस बाबा तू ही तू, बस बाबा तू ही तू। मन की यही तमन्ना। पहले भी सामने थे, अब भी हो सामने। रहेंगे साथ हम सदा, कहा है आपने। पहले भी सामने थे, अब भी हो सामने, रहेंगे साथ हम सदा, कहा है आपने, वादा निभाते अब भी आते हो रूबरू, नजरों के सामने हो बस बाबा तू ही तू, बस बाबा तू ही तू, मन की यही तमन्ना। वो पालना वो शिक्षा हम आज भी तो पाए, मधुबन की हर दिशा से आती तेरी सदाएं। वो पालना वो शिक्षा हम आज भी तो पाए, मधुबन की हर दिशा से आती तेरी सदाएं। बच्चों का प्राण बाबा, नैनों का नूर तू, नजरों के सामने हो बस बाबा तू ही तू, बस बाबा तू ही तू,